A businessman was shot and killed at his hardware in St. Catherine on Wednesday afternoon. He has been identified as 52-year-old Simeon Ellis from Old Harbour Glades in the parish. Ellis operates Crescent Hardware. It was reported that around 3:45 p.m. Ellis was standing outside his hardware when a motorcycle drove up with two men aboard. Police said one man alighted, approached the businessman and opened gunfire. Both men then escaped on said motorcycle in the direction of Spanish Town. Ellis was taken to the Spanish Town hospital where he was pronounced dead. Police said robbery did not seem to be the motive, as there was no indication that the now deceased was robbed. A construction worker was fatally shot along the Carawina Main Road in Petersfield, Westmoreland on Wednesday night. The deceased have been identified as 54-year-old Linford Barnes, otherwise called Perkins, from the community. Barnes is said to have been a witness in a murder that happened in May of last year. He was reportedly shot and injured in that incident as well. Reports are that citizens heard loud explosions and summoned the police. On arrival of the lawmen, Barnes was seen lying on his left side, suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds to his upper body. He was subsequently transported to the Savannah Lamar Public General Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Westmoreland has recorded 32 murders since the start of the year. This is 15 or 31.9% less than was recorded over the comparative period in 2022. An alleged gangster was killed during a confrontation with lawmen from the Kingston Western Police Division on Tuesday. He has been identified as 19-year-old Nicholas Denton, otherwise called Fireball, of Racecourse Lane, Kingston 14. According to reports, Denton was shot and killed in Wilton Gardens. A brawlin pistol with 3 rounds of ammunition was reportedly seized from him. Commanding officer for the Kingston Western Police Division, Senior Superintendent Michael Phipps, said Denton, who was a known gang member, was charged with shooting with intent in 2022. Phipps said that based on a request from investigators, the now deceased was warned repeatedly not to visit the Denham Town area. He, however, did not heed the warnings. Earlier this year, he was found in Denham Town in clear breach of his bail conditions. Phipps said he was taken back before the court where he was readmitted to bail and was again warned not to be seen in Denham Town. However, to our surprise, he returned to the area where he had a confrontation with police, which led to his death. The Inspector and Professional Standard Oversight Bureau and the Independent Commission of Investigation are probing the incident.